2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.